guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun video and different from my regular unboxing and review videos. It's going to be a hopscotch haul. If you've not heard about hopscotch, let me tell you guys, this is a site for your daily finds for your babies, kids and moms. You get a lot of options here, not just clothes. You get accessories, school supplies and unique pillows and whatnot. If you've not checked this website, do check it out. I will link it in my description box below. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video and let me show you guys what I have. So the packaging of hopscotch is good. They send it in such boxes. So the first item I would like to show is this trendy rainbow printed frock or dress. This is how it looks. It is white and blue stripe, which has a unique and a beautiful color. And if you just look here, there is this rainbow design, and the material is cotton. It feels great. It says it's made in China. And again, the stitching and all is very neat. You can just see, and it's very soft. And guys, there is a button here which makes it easy to just make your kids wear it. Match this dress, there is this shoe which we purchased, and it comes in this cotton bag, which is a very good thing. This is the shoes. This is how it looks. I will mention the name of the shoe in the description box and even give the link so that if you want to purchase it, you can. It says it's made in India, and the material here is sewed. This is sewed, and there is this patch designs stuck. This is a smiley, and it's a rainbow sticker, and you can see the sole is great. And about the price, the actual price is 500 and we got it for just 250 rupees, which is super cheap for this beautiful shoes. It's going to match the dress, and post a picture of this as well. Next is this off-shoulder pink dress. Dress is very elegant and good for like party or special occasions. And now if you see the sleeve part, it's like netted and has like a ruffled hemline, and the shoulder or the off shoulder has kind of a very softest elastic, I can say, and it's not going to hurt your kid. And this dress has a very attractive bow, and the bow shade is like vibrant because the color of the dress is like kind of very light peach, and the bow is like a bright color. And about the fabric, guys, it's like 95% cotton and 5% spandex. That's the reason it's very comfortable and soft on skin. And there is this elastic band here which will make it look like a balloon. The next dress is this beautiful red off-shoulder dress. This is how it looks. It's a one-shoulder stylish dress and very trendy. It's very comfortable on the skin, and about the shoulder you can see it has this ruffled sleeves, and there is a knot to be tied on one side. And because the fabric is like spun polyester, that gives this perfect shape. Now about the price, it's like $8.49 only, and I feel it's like worth the price. This is one of the best from whatever we purchased. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this review was helpful. If it was, do comment and tell me, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.